All right, congratulations Frank, mate. It's a GXL Crystal Pearl, obviously our favourite colour. We've got an ARB BP51 GVM upgrade on this one. It's a 4,015 kilos, so it's still actually classed in the NB1 category, which means we can get away with no LCT. It's still a remote res kit. ARB Summit Deluxe bar in our UV powder. The Ultima's on the front as well. Actually, a highlight for this one, the Gen 2 clear views arrived. We really like them. They're actually a little bit easier to look out of when you're driving compared to the older Gen ones. Up on top, we've got our slimline panel, some little Nava floodlights on each side. Obviously, the big quick pitch awning on our custom fab brackets, some big beefy 6mm folded and welded brackets front and rear, just to give them extra strength. They do need it. The awnings are big and heavy, so they need some good strong mounting points. Black duck 4 elements, awesome covers. Frank's doing a bit of work inside this one himself. And the usual loaded drawers system, Red Arc TV mesh unit, BMS. We've got a 125 amp and a drive Gen 2 lithium and a 1000 watt inverter in the back here. Big red vision screen, everything's sort of, we can, you know, this is orange, we can change it to white on the back. We've assigned, you know, passenger driver side roof lights, air compressor, fridge outlet. Scroll down, we've got control for the inverter as well on here too. And a big open storage pocket on that side, and there's still a bit of storage down this side where the inverter is. You can, if you want to, if you're not using the fridge, you can pull this barrier off and then put that flat deck down. Basically, you've got a big 2-drawer system. And of course, the diesel power unlimited treatment gives it an extra boost. The stock lock-up kit as well, FFM airbox, Torqued exhaust system. Sounds unreal. They go hard, very fun to drive. Happy travels, Frank, and thanks for your patience. I'm sure you're gonna absolutely love it. Thanks, guys.